Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, we got a doozy today, DWAC. So if you look at the daily candle back here, similar news hit that they looked like they were going to be able to only pay a $14 million fine for the SEC was accusing them of fraud. I don't want to get too into it, but anyway, this on that day it looked like that was the news, but look what happened afterwards. Drifted down, 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 and then anyway this morning it said yes, the SEC has accepted the $14 million, and of course DWAC exploded. Only 28 million in the float, exploded upwards. It came from our AI. 1841 was the alert, got all the way up almost straight to almost $26 before it finally pulled back. And we'll have to see what happens going forward, but that what a tremendous move from our AI today for DWAC. All right, guys, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday morning.